Hello Year 3 and welcome to Week 1 Lesson 2 of Spelling. And like yesterday, our spelling rules, we're going to look through our spelling words, breath, disappear, though, and we're going to look at that short I sound spelt with a Y. Okay, so do you remember these words from yesterday? Disappear, breath, though? Let's read them together. Disappear, breath, though. Great, well done. Now write those words neatly into your book. Can you remember what they mean? Once you've written those into your book, I want you to write a sentence using each word. Can you make the sentence about Robin Hood? That would be awesome if you could. Okay, pause the video now and then unpause when you're ready. Moving on in 3, 2, 1. Next slide. Okay, here are our words that we practiced yesterday. They all have the short I sound and it's spelt as a Y. Let's read them again together. Myth, gym, Egypt, pyramid, mystery, hymn, system, symbol, lyric, typical. Well done. Right, now we have a part of a story about Robin Hood, and we have our words here that are our spellings for today. So what I want you to do is pause the video now and read through this text, and you should be able to spot some of our words in there. Once you've spotted them, keep a list of which ones that you've spotted and then unpause the video and we'll see if you got all of them. 3, 2, 1. Let's move on. Okay, you should have been able to spot 5 of our words in that bit of reading. We had mystery, hymn, system, lyric, and typical. If you got all 5, big well done for that. And if you got 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, well done. That's great. You're noticing our spelling words for these couple of days. Right, next. We have a word search with our words now, so you'll definitely need to pause the video for this one. See how many words you can find, and then once you're finished, unpause the video. Moving on in 3, 2, 1, next. Okay, here are our spellings again. I want you to practice writing these words in your books either as bubble writing or as rainbow words. So if it's rainbow words, you might need a few different coloured pencils to make it look nice in your books. And then, once you finish that, I want you to do a second thing. I want you to choose 3 different words that you chose to yesterday, and write them in sentences about Robin Hood. Good luck, give the video a pause, and give those activities a go. Moving on in 3, 2, 1, next. Okay, the last part of our lesson today is some handwriting. And we're going to practice writing the letters G and D. And you'll see those in our words Egypt, pyramid, and gym. So after you've finished writing our letters G and D, which I'll show you in a moment, I want you to practice writing the words Egypt, pyramid, and gym after you've done the handwriting. So let's have a look and see how we can write the letter G. Okay, here we are with the letter G. And we need to start on the line, as we did with the letters yesterday. Go about halfway up the line, loop around, join up the loop, down, through the line, and then loop. And that end of that loop will leave us in line with where we started the letter. Let's just check that. So lead in, all the way round, loop, join up to the top, down, then loop. Great. Okay, I'll play that one more time, and I want you to write 5 of those in your book, and then circle your favourite. Great. Okay, give those a try. And we'll move on to the D in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so with the D, that's slightly different because we're going to go all the way to the top of the line here. We've got a tall letter, we've got a ladder letter. So we are going to lead in, loop, join the loop up, all the way up to the top, down and flick. So we can join the letter. Let's have a look at it one more time. All the way up, down and flick. Great. Give 5 of those a try in your book. And when you're finished, choose your favourite one of the 5. And then remember, we've got the words Egypt, pyramid and gym. Write those words down in your best handwriting after you finish the letter D. And that's all we've got time for today with our spelling and handwriting. Tune in again for some more spelling and handwriting, lesson 3, tomorrow.